Are there, with the power of your platform
Mm.
and that visibility that it gives, are there sort of new metrics, new KPIs that you're able to surface to help make those decisions and inform it? Because I think you're totally right. Everybody kind of defaults just to using the latest model, but that's sort of the
Mm.
most expensive and the slowest.
Yeah.
And it's not the right thing for every particular task. So I just wonder, is there ways that you can actually measure that with that sort of overarching view that you have?
Well, our operation system was just released last month, so
Okay.
it's kind of like a job in making and trying
Yeah.
to also understand how the market could use it and what companies can squeeze out of having everything in one place and actually seeing visually, how they consume tokens and how much it costs them. But I think moving forward, it's a really good tool for the companies, especially for the CFOs, to sign off certain project or certain piece of work at the company when you can predict costs
Yeah.
towards the future, right? Because you're able to test different workflows using different models at the same place and see how much, and how much tokens they consume. And you're able to build the most efficient system, then freeze it and kind of use it moving forward with some efficiency and optimizations measures. Tracking is, the pricing is changing constantly, across those tools. So you still need to kind of like keep an eye on them. But in some sense, you can find like the sweet spot for what you want to do, and then you can sort of predict the cost moving forward, which is much easier than to get sign off by the CFO of the company, rather than, especially for the companies that they use like lots of volumes, and they have no direct impact of how certain tools or models will be consumed, right?
Mhm.
You can just build those guardians around it, and it's just easier to understand from the companies. But yeah, we're still learning. So that's why I'm really excited, for example, to go now to Cannes Lions and get into direct conversation with different companies and to see how useful this is for them and how it can make the work easier.